I'll take this big one.
giant one.
Okay, so apparently
Daddy needs one.
these are raw jalapenos, which
Yeah, I
are
already had one.
Here, sweetie.
which is freshly cut.
Yeah, you guys like cucumbers when you swallow them, they burn.
I need some more water.
Hey, wait, why don't I fill this one too?
Okay, we're gonna pause while they get more water.
We have napkins. Okay. Ready?
Josh, are you gonna have one?
You guys have this?
No, right here.
1, 2, 3. Cucumber. See? Cucumber.
No weird expressions yet. They are ingesting the jalapeno.
I can definitely feel it.
Jaden's saying it's hot. How about you, Shauna?
Well, I think this was hotter. The ones that
Swallow it.
I had.
There's no way that's hotter.
I felt like it was.
I'm gonna die. My mouth is dying.
I think she got it.
That wasn't very dramatic. I was hoping for
I know.
dramatic reactions.
It was hot.
It's
I
burning.
think hers broke.
It burns so much.
That's what I experienced. Darren just had another one.
Maybe you had the wrong batch, Shauna.
Yeah, Mom,
Mine tastes fine.
No, I got the wrong batch. Ow. It hurts.
Have some water.
Yeah, it has some water.
Try one, Mom. I think you peeled off the good and the hot stuff. I think you rigged it before.
No,
Try. You gonna try another one?
fine.
Okay.
Number 2.
Number 2. Are you chewing it first?
You didn't need to show us.
Asshole it.
I want milk.
It tastes fine. I seriously feel like this was worse. Look at it. I seriously feel like this was. Are you burning?
Really?
Hot.
Why is this not burning me? I'm fine.
I think her tongue is broken right now.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I had 2 and I'm in tons of seeds.
Yeah, first she can't hear the sound. Next, she
This is
can't-
worse for me. This.
Okay. First, she can't hear the sound.
Okay, well that was fun. Bye. Bye, Josh.
I win.
Mom wins.